Hi everyone, this is the third video in this 4-part series on Kumon workbooks. I'll leave links to all the videos in this series in the description box below. In this video, I'll share with you some more basic workbooks. Kumon has a nice range of cutting, pasting, and folding paper books that are really fantastic for little kiddos. There is heaps to like about them. First of all, they use really nice, thick, good quality paper so that it is easier for little ones to hold, cut, or fold. They're colorful and bright, and each activity sheet comes with instructions. The folding paper books introduces kids to origami, which is pretty awesome, and it's an activity that surgeons sometimes use to train their hands. My son really enjoys working on those books too. Each book starts off easy but then gradually increases in difficulty. So they're challenging but not too difficult that kids find it crushingly impossible to do. These activities are a great way to improve dexterity and are obviously great for fine motor skills.